Which survival gadgets are worth your time and money? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit deeper to find the best options. Today, I'm breaking down 5 must-have gadgets for your survival kit that could make all the difference in an emergency. Product number 1, Bay 8 Ferrocerium Fire Starter. First up, we have the Bay 8 Ferrocerium Drilled Flint Fire Starter. At just $13.95, this little tool caught my attention for its high 4.7-star rating from over 12,000 reviews. If you want a reliable way to start a fire in any condition, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ferrocerium rod can produce sparks up to 500 degrees F, making it easy to ignite a fire even in wet conditions. Plus, it comes with a 5-foot paracord that gives you a solid grip. The included striker is made of tool-grade HSS steel, ensuring you'll get a good shower of sparks with every strike. Honestly, this makes it perfect for camping, hiking, or just being prepared for emergencies. Now, some people complain that the striker can wear down over time. Here's the thing though, if you take care of it and use it correctly, it should last quite a while. So it's a small trade-off for a tool that could literally save your life. This is perfect for you if you're serious about being prepared for anything outdoors. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's just for casual use around the house. For under $14, you're getting peace of mind that's truly invaluable. Now, if that fire starter's size is a concern for you, the next product might take a different approach. Product number 2, Mart Cobra Emergency Blankets. Next on the list, we have the Mart Cobra Emergency Blanket 4-pack for just $6.99. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 4,600 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. If you're looking for something lightweight that can keep you warm in a pinch, this is worth considering. They measure 82 x 52 when unfolded but can easily be packed down to fit in your bug-out bag. Imagine being caught in a storm and you can whip this out to stay warm. It's a lifesaver. Some users mention that the blankets can tear easily if you're not careful. But here's the thing, they are designed for emergencies, not for everyday use. Just handle them with a bit of care and they'll serve you well when it counts. This is ideal for you if you want a compact, reusable solution for emergencies. Skip it if you're looking for something heavy-duty or luxurious. At under $7, you really can't go wrong adding this to your kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for comprehensive preparedness. Product number 3, RIKOJUXI 262-piece Survival Kit. Coming in hot at $45.99 is the RIKOJUXI 262-piece Survival Kit. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 1,100 reviews, this kit is packed with everything you might need in the first 72 hours of an emergency. If you want a one-stop shop for survival gear, this is definitely worth checking out. It's designed to provide food, water, warmth, and light during critical situations. The fact that it was developed with input from first responders gives you that extra layer of confidence. Plus, the packaging is designed for easy access during emergencies, which is huge when time is of the essence. Now, some people found the pack a bit bulky for everyday carry. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about preparedness, a little bulk is a small price to pay for having peace of mind in dire situations. This is perfect for families or anyone wanting to ensure they're ready for anything nature throws their way. Skip this if you just want a few basic items. For the price, the comprehensive nature of this kit is a fantastic deal. Now, if that last kit felt overwhelming with all its parts, the next product takes a more streamlined approach. Product number 4, XKASE 19-in-1 Survival Kit. Next is the XKASE 19-in-1 Survival Kit priced at $23.99. With a 4.6-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, it's a compact solution that caught my eye. If you want multiple tools packed into one small kit, this is a great option. This kit includes a 5-in-1 parachute cord bracelet, a whistle, and a thermal blanket. Plus, the whole kit fits easily in your car or backpack, weighing only 1.8 pounds, so you won't even notice it's there until you need it. Some users pointed out that it lacks some heavier-duty items for more extreme situations. But here's the thing, this kit is designed for everyday carry and emergencies, not full-on survival expeditions. For casual campers or hikers, it's definitely sufficient. This is perfect for anyone who wants a compact, easy-to-carry kit for day hikes or short trips. Skip it if you plan on extended outdoor adventures. For the price, it's a solid investment for peace of mind. Now, if you're looking for something even more comprehensive, our last product might just top them all. Product number 5, Verifijar 17-in-1 Survival Kit. Finally, we have the Verifijar 17-in-1 Survival Kit for $19.99. Holding a 4.6-star rating from 6,000 reviews, this toolkit is designed to meet a wide range of emergency needs. If you want a balanced option that's easy to carry, this is definitely worth your attention. This kit comes with essential items like a tactical knife, flashlight, and a multifunctional spork. Each piece is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability when you need it most. The waterproof case makes it easy to store everything in your car or backpack, which is a huge plus for keeping your gear organized. However, some users mention that the flashlight isn't very bright. Here's the thing though, it's still functional for emergency situations where you just need to see a few feet in front of you. It's a good backup when you need it. This is perfect for casual campers or anyone looking to add some essential emergency gear to their pack. Skip it if you need advanced survival tools. For under $20, you're getting a ton of value for everyday preparedness. So there you have it, the Bay 8 Ferrocerium Fire Starter, Mart Cobra Emergency Blankets, RIKOGUXI 262-piece Survival Kit, XKASE 19-in-1 Survival Kit, and Verifijar 17-in-1 Survival Kit. Each of these products offers something unique to help you be ready for whatever comes your way. Whether you're looking for compact solutions or comprehensive kits, there's something here for everyone. Stay safe out there.